Hello, my old Clement. So today I'll be unboxing this, what is it called again? It's a basketball shoe from Puma, which is called Dreamer. So, I love this design. It looks so nice. It's like clouds, Dreamer, and this basketball player. Let's just pretend there's a hoop here. He's gonna score. The basketball. Yeah, he done it. He's done it. I hope he has a parachute though. And here on the back is just the size conversion. I just can't see it upside down. And here I think it's another language. So this is how big the shoe is. Just that big. And yeah. So onto the shoe. Here's your food, sir, lady. Here's your nice steak, or if you're vegetarian, maybe nice cauliflower cheese, because that's nice, isn't it? Oh, I just ripped it. Whoops. Okay, so these are blue. They look so nice. Look at this. Oh yeah. It's not even my shoe size, and I don't even care, because I don't want to wear it. This, oh my god. It even has the Dreamer at the back. Oh my god, I love this, but I don't want to wear it too. Wait, imagine if like this person was this tall, and then he wore it, and like, he's that tall now. This is like, look at this. So the Puma RS Dreamer is one of the most iconic running sneakers, which has been adapted for the basketball court. So there's like a lot of cushioning inside, like yeah, and there's some shoelaces here you have to tie it with. It's not fake, like yeah. So here. I think Velcro would be better for basketball players because maybe they're like running, jump. Oh no, I tripped over my own laces. I'm not going to win the basketball cup. I don't watch basketball. I have no idea what happens in basketball. So, the upper textile is leather. The inner material is also textile. The insole material is textile, and it has suede overlays. It is a mid-cut, design. Disruptive cord lacing system. It has a rounded toe cap here, and it has lateral perforations for breathability for your foot, so then it can breathe. So, it has Puma RS label on the tongue. This is the tongue. Then the midsole is EVA and the outsole is rubber. It's here. This is rubber. Imagine if like a super skilled basketball player was like running from one side to the basketball court to the other side, and like at the end there'll be just no more rubber left because he burnt it all off, like because he was so fast in running. Maybe it's her. Maybe. So, CEO number 1, would you like to wear it? Just nod. Yes, he loves it. He wants to wear it. Just so squishy. I love it. Today, I'll be trying out this big shoe. I've already tried it on, so look at the comparison. This is for CEO number 1, not me, because how am I supposed to run in this? This is like too big for me. I love this shoe. Look at this. I'm on the red carpet right now. I'm gonna... This is very comfortable for me. It's like not sliding around or anything. You cannot like shake it off or something. Taylor Swift. Look at this. I'm wearing Adidas, and then that one's just Puma. One time I was like wearing, like, let's just call it R, my shoes were the brand R, and then my socks were Puma. Like it was the word Puma was poking out there, and the brand R was over here. And it was like R Puma. Okay, so yeah, this shoe. I don't think you want to see my shoes or anything now. So thank you for watching. I hope you like and subscribe, and I hope you like this big shoe on me. I'm gonna go play basketball. Bye.